So year one has been an establishment phase, so we've had a lot of sort of working on the logistics of getting the smart farm set up, and we've also worked on getting the innovation hub set up. So that's involved getting landholders signed up, making sure they've got the equipment ready to go and their paddocks are ready to go. And then we've had a range of field days that sort of launched the project in the 3 regions, which have been really successful in getting a range of community members along. Yeah, the landholder interest has been really enthusiastic to date. So we've had a lot of people that have shown a lot of interest in it, and the landholders have been really positive. The training of the animals and the walkover ways is really critical. It's not something that you can rush. You need to take your time to make sure the animals feel comfortable, and that way you're going to get the best quality data that you can. So we're going to roll out a number of field days from each smart farm. We're also going to try and connect that to the participants in the technology trial. We'll also conduct some webinars at the end of the project to show the findings to people who might not be able to make it. And we're also going to continue to make videos and case studies and fact sheets just to make sure anything that the project's found, we can share that with the wider community. So as we move into 2020, we're going to have our first full year of data collection. So the smart farms are going to start to see the data after a wet season. And then we're going to see obviously how the pastures respond with that, with the satellite measures. And then we hopefully see in the later parts of the year landholders making decisions with this data. But we're also looking at ways that we can try and work with landholders to make them digitally ready in a strategic way so that they've got the infrastructure there to take on board the technology that's really changing ever so fast. So by the end of that year 2 full data, we should start to get a feel for what decisions landholders are making, and we can start to draw out some case studies and present that to the wider community. In 2021, it'll be the second year of full data where we start to try and make more robust conclusions from what we can get from the data feed. So we're really trying to have everything bedded down as to what this land type is meaning for that cattle live weight, and what the satellite greenness is going to mean for that land type. So we should start to see a bit more reliability in the decisions being made. So by the end of 2021 is when we'll wrap up the project, and that's when we'll make our final findings about what the project's discovered over the course of the few years.